Hello everyone, welcome back to Candy Coffee. Here we have this beautiful quick mix Silvano Evo espresso machine. Now for this machine we replaced the electronical connections that you see right here, which were quite a lot. Some of them were in very bad shape and some of them basically just disintegrated and left us with this. So we replaced a lot of them and made sure that all the electronical connections were secure and were not loose or anything like that. What else we did to this machine? We replaced the gasket of the group head. This gasket is in really terrible condition. Gaskets usually are bouncy and very soft. As you can see, this one is just a piece of plastic and it was super hard to remove. Like it's in really bad shape. We also replaced the little O-ring of the group head as well as the shower screen of the group head itself. And yeah, that's all we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out, and then we're gonna use the steam, and then we conclude the test. Hopefully I pick up the right grand series of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee, or as you can see, it's a good shot coming out of the machine. Really good water flow, excellent color, really good pressure. It's at the A bar. Looks really good. That's good enough. I'm gonna definitely drink that. Really working well, no leaks around the group portafilter or the group head as well. Now for the steam, as you can see, working perfectly fine. Really good pressure coming out of the thermoblock. Working great. Really good temperature as well. And there you have it, quick and cheap and working once again. So thank you so much for the Candy Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.